So ito naman yung view natin sa labas. Meron din tayong neighborhood. Charot. So nandun ako kanina sa shower area na outdoor. Nandoon. Ang cute ng mga mangga nila dito. Indian Mingo. Tapos ang daming hitik na hitik sa bunga kahit malakas ang hangin, no? Hindi na huhulog. So yun yung view ng villa. Isn't it beautiful? So may mga neighborhood din kami doon. May isa pang villa doon. May yan din yung another villa dyan, oh. Manilip tayo ng villa ng kapitbahay. So ang ano niya, structure niya is the same. Same lang naman. Yun nga lang, may mas malawak na backyard. Like yung backyard nito is mas malawak. Tapos may ito yung mangga, hitik na hitik yung bunga. Tapos may mga sampalok doon, hitik na hitik. You see yung breeze. It's early in the morning pero ano, mainit na yung sikat ng araw. Pero malamig. Malamig yung breeze niya. Pero masa-sunburn ka pa din kasi yung sikat ng araw is ano, masakit din sa skin, ha. So, kailangan natin maglagay ng sunscreen. Ako pa naman hindi mahilig mag-sunscreen man ay. So, high tide siya. In the morning, high tide siya. Ang daming mangrove. Alam nyo ba kung anong amazing dito ang pagkakaiba nito sa Pilipinas? Kasi yung mangrove doon sa Northern Samar, maputik. Dito, mabato. Mabato yan. Kabatuhan yan. Bato-bato. Uy, anong klaseng bird yun? And did you know, dito sa Mauritius, they have plenty of different varieties of birds. Mauritius, hindi ko alam kung ano ang ano nito, yung may mga butas-butas na ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. I need to know sa mga nakakaalam ano kaya yan. Hindi naman yan sa ahas. Ano? Ayan, oh. May mga butas-butas. Ay, asan na yung bird? Wala na yung bird. Ayun, nandoon, oh. Ay, lumipad na. So, dito nga sa Mauritius, meron silang iba't iba. Dito yata yung pinakamaraming klase ng ibon. So, meron dito yung pinaka-famous is yung flying fox na bat. Tama ba ako? Mauritian bat. Ang laki and lumalabas lang yun ng mga bandang 4 onwards para maghanap ng food, maghunt ng food, like yung mga fruits, ganyan. O, diba? Sampalok, oh, ang dami, hitik na hitik sa bunga. At kahit ang lakas-lakas ng hangin, hindi siya basta-basta nahuhulog. Ayan, oh, hitik na hitik. Ang daming bunga ng sampalok nila. Ang daming nalalaglag sa, sa ground. Tinitikman ko kahapon, maasim. Maasim yung sampalok. Pero that's okay. Ito ang kagandahan talaga dito, napaka-breezy niya in the morning. Actually, the whole day, hindi lang morning. The whole day, ganyan talaga siya mahangin, no? Mahangin-hangin. Kaya naman, yung weather dito is mainit, pero, pala yun, breezy. Malamig yung simoy ng hangin. Hindi siya very humid kagaya sa Singapore, ganyan. Ang ganda-ganda ng weather. Blue skies. And dito mo din makikita palagi ang blue skies. What a beautiful view. Oh, diba? Yung mangga, oh, ang dami-daming bunga. Ang dami-daming bunga ng mangga. Kumuha si partnership dyan kahapon. Yun nga lang, wala kaming suka at walang asin. Ay, meron na palang asin, paminta. Yung nga, walang suka. Gusto kasi yung mangga ko, dapat may suka man. Oy, baliktad, no? Maasim na nga. Lalagyan mo pa ng maasim. Relaxing. Yung feeling mo nasa Pinas ka? Hello? Mamaya yan, bumigay yan, ha? True! That's right! Well spotted. Oops! Morning.
I forgot that lady's name like we saw yesterday.
Priyanka.
Pray. Pray. Just pray.
Priyanka. The beautiful, happy lady.
Did Cheryl change?
Me?
Yes.
No, she said I didn't change.
Oh.
She said I'm still as pretty as before.
The one who changed because you're beautiful than ever. Imogen, catch. Why you just catch? I thought I was going to catch.
Don't play with it.
I just saw that.
Grab him. Okay, this is my hand.
Oh my God.
There's a lot of nests.
Mama mo na nagkiwa mo ito na. Yung lahat.
It's so
Yes.
difficult.
I already had yesterday. On our way to Bamboo, where we're going to eat our breakfast. Right? Yes. No? Where are we going then? To the beach? To home. Oh. If Bamboo is our home, that will be like, ah, fabulous.
Napansin mo, hindi ayaw nila dun.
Ah,
Yung tao na yan.
yeah. I think they choose a certain tree to make their nest because yes,
Ayaw yun ng green na green.
yes,
This pink nose yellow and nose green type of color.
yes.
But no blue. I think that
I was wondering if you're going to choose the green one or orange one. I was actually thinking, will she choose? But at first, I know that you're going to choose the blue and pink for her hair. They showed another blue, but it's not. I mean, another pink, but it's not that really pink,
it's not
nice
blue,
pink.
it's not glittery.
Yeah.
This one is.
So this choice of color is actually perfect. It's really nice. It's cool.
Yeah, my hair. I wish they did two braids now, and then they did buns, and my buns were colorful.
Hmm.
Like two braids, one bun, and playful. That's what I would. What's colorful?
Morning. And here we are at Bamboo.
What if we bump into Uma?
I think Uma will come a bit later because she would still be like sleeping maybe.
Why?
Because that's how it is. You rest and sleep and enjoy the holiday. You don't really need to wake up so early. Enjoy.
You
That's
can
how
still
it
take your
is.
video now.
But still wanted to. This is where we're going to eat our breakfast, and that's the buffet area. And there's a pool there. Bamboo. Sarap?
Pero alam mo, alam mo na. Check sa...
Wag na. Look after yourself. No sugar, please. Nako, nilagyan talaga. Okay.